Good morning, everybody. It's the day you've all been waiting for. I go into our local chop zone, our local protest riot zone. I guess it's the homeless zone. It used to be the homeless zone. Then the homeless moved all to these encampments and they just broke them up. So now there is like 6,000 homeless people wandering the streets back to where they used to be. And that is at this specific street where I'm going. I'm not in my truck. Can't even take the truck down there. No tool trailer. I'm in our old car. I just pulled it out of the garage. It is a 1999 Nissan Maxima. It's got leather seats. It's got power seats, power windows. Not too bad. This is the car we used to take downtown back when we weren't married and we would go out and we knew that we wouldn't be driving home, so we'd leave this downtown. Those were simpler times, long time ago, but now times have changed. I'm going into a loft, built in the 1800s, remodeled into city-style loft living. Is that a thing? I don't know. In 1999, and things are starting to fall apart. We got toilet problems, we got electrical problems, we got kitchen faucet problems, we got P-trap problems. Simple home maintenance stuff. And I got my little cart with all my tools back in here. You can see what I got going on in there. I'm meeting the property manager there. So I'm not sure how much I can film. So this is, we'll call this a woo log instead of a how-to. But we'll see. He said if you need some parts and stuff, I will go get them so that you can stay and continue to work instead of having to go get parking. Yeah, I'm gonna have to park like 5 blocks away. I have to pay for parking. Made it to the parking garage. It is $2 every 15 minutes to park here. Got my cart right there. Low activity out there today. We are in the loft. Very small. It's about half the size of my workshop. No air conditioning. I'm sweating my ass off in here. They have what's called a chiller system where everything's either cold water or hot water. And the cold water sure isn't cold enough today. Been doing some work up here on these lights. These are the light fixtures right here, and I'm going to go take you through the diagnosis process. First thing is they got ballast in them. These are 12-volt lights. So we turn the switch on. One entire fixture doesn't work. The other fixture flickers. So I go up there and pull them down, and obviously I find the ballasts. I test for power up there at the wires, but I also did wire nut the wires together at the switch to take the switch out of the scenario, and then we have the top breaker there. That turns it on and off. These are just a few redundancies in diagnosing that it's the light fixture ballasts. I thought it was the light fixture ballast, but I have to cover my bases looking for loose connections in other areas. So the property manager is out getting new light fixtures. They wanted me to replace the kitchen faucet, but the cold water valve is snapped off in the on position. I'll show you what the symptoms were. I actually just pulled this little deal off here and snugged it up. It was really loose, and that's pretty much the worst of it. It was much worse because it wasn't snugged down. He says, okay, that's acceptable. They have the water shut off once a month for plumbing repairs. So you can't shut the water off to this unit. You have to shut the water off to the entire building. Everybody gets a letter, and it's scheduled from this time to this time that the water will be shut off. So this is it. This is your living room. That's your view. I bet you do get some interesting shows out there. You can kind of see into your neighbors. We got some, Bernie Sanders supporters down there. They say vote socialist. A lot of interesting things in these old buildings. You see where they bricked over those windows. And there's a fire escape. I really would never want to go on that fire escape. This does have a loft. The loft is where you're supposed to sleep, up there. But it's 1,000,000 degrees in here, and there's no air conditioning. So we're going to go on up the loft. This is how you get to your bed in the city. Oh, this is the bedroom. You can see they have a bed frame up here. Now in the bathroom, this is the one and only bathroom. These lights are 12 volts. They're on a ballast that's somewhere hidden up inside the ceiling. Okay, we got a running toilet. The flapper is running. For those of you who know anything about plumbing, you know that this drain here shouldn't be this high up. It should be right around here. So they had a tail coming down into a P-trap, and then another tail coming way up in a 90. So all the slip joints in these P-traps were filled with water, a significant amount of water. There really should only be water in the bottom of the P-trap, but they were all leaking. It was that chrome, and that chrome doesn't work very good. So again, the property manager he's out getting those parts. I do need to get a hold of him to say, hey, we need a new flapper. Kind of dark. These are 120 volt halogen lights, so these do work. I gotta work on getting this thing a little secured. The property manager suggested double-sided tape. This is very heavy, full of aluminum, so I gotta take it apart and see how it's supposed to be anchored to the wall in there. But this is it. It doesn't cost much. It's only $1,500 a month to rent here. We had several shootings just down the way here in the middle of the day. All of it stopped. No more inquiries about this place. So they're gonna put a little bit of work into it. Obviously they need the lights to work. I don't leave home without it. No, this is not a paid ad. It's actually just to annoy people that don't like when I discuss tools in my videos. This is the Gerber center drive, made in the USA, and it comes with bits, all your bits, and luckily it comes with a #1 Phillips head. It has the #2 that I keep on it all the time. Link will be in the description with a code. I'll put the code across here. It's a discount code. I think it's 15% on anything on the Gerber website. Go check it out. This is saving the day here. Not really. I probably could have figured something else out. Maybe not. I don't really have anything that would fit in there. Maybe a steak knife or something. This ladder, I had to drag it up 5 flights of stairs. And it's strange. Some of the landings, it's only like 7-foot ceiling heights. Some are like 10 foot. It took me a while at Grunt and Groaning to get this dang ladder up here.
These are, this is room lights. This is my house. Nobody 20. They're sort of all nobody 20 later. So, nobody 25. They're sure they're trying to see lights. That's all fine. Get your bed. It's ready for something on the closet. I don't know if I did that professional. No, this is one of these days.
Was leaking, but it just had a bad flapper. These work good. Dipping up and down. They work. So I got this snugged up on here. Oh man, does that sucker get hot. Holy cow, does that get hot. Woo! Flappers in. Somewhere. Maybe over here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one. Not sure what it's going to be. I've got several filmed, several out for approval for different sponsors. Not sure what's next. Not sure. I don't know about anything these days. But there will be more. There will be more. Some will be like this. Some will be more in depth. Some you will like, some you won't like. That's all. Goodbye.